Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting your data and shaping it. This is where dashboards become dynamic. Connect to sources in Power Query, remove unnecessary columns, and standardize types so measures work reliably. Once done, create lookup tables and link them to fact tables in a star schema. This reduces ambiguity and speeds visuals. Make sure to set meaningful column names and load only what you need to avoid refresh bloat. Now you have a clean, performant model to build live interactions on top of. You craft dynamic behavior with DAX and visual design. Start by creating measures for totals, year-over-year, and moving averages. These drive every chart. Then add slicers and sync them across pages so selections persist. Use bookmarks to offer preset views. Choose visuals that support drill downs and enable tooltip pages for contextual detail. Make sure to minimize visuals per page and use aggregated axes to keep interactions snappy. By combining clean measures with intentional visuals, you finish by validating refresh, security, and performance before you publish. Publish to the service, configure scheduled refresh and credentials, and enable incremental refresh for large tables so updates stay fast. Apply row-level security if users need filtered views, and run Performance Analyzer to spot slow visuals and an efficient DAX. If things go wrong, check data cardinality and identify heavy measures. Once you optimize or replace them, retest. Finally, document refresh times and ownership so the dashboard remains reliable after.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.